Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Tap suspect panels with a metal screwdriver to listen for dull or hollow sounds. Use that auditory clue to map likely corrosion behind paint, trim, or undercoating. Look for paint bubbling, discoloration, and dark orange flecks near seams and joints. Run a magnet over panels to find non-magnetic filler that hides rust or replace steel. Probe seams up to 3.5 inches with a thin pick to detect soft spots or flaking metal. Measure thickness differences with a caliper to confirm weakened metal. Remove trim and seals gently to expose hidden seams and inner panels. Take care not to break clips, label fasteners, and store them so reassembly is exact. Inspect wheel wells, trunk corners, and undercarriage joints with a 6 LED inspection light to reveal surface rust and pitting. Bring a handheld vacuum to clear debris and corrosion powder from cavities. Use an inspection mirror and dental pick to examine gaps smaller than 1 inch and identify rust progression into structural members. Sand suspicious areas to bright metal to determine if rust is surface or penetrating. For surface corrosion, follow with rust converter and clean residue before priming. Apply rust converter to treat minor corrosion and seal with epoxy primer. Dry times vary by product, but expect several hours. For penetrating rust, cut out affected metal and weld in patches of matching gauge steel, using clamp support and backer plates where needed. Finish with seam sealer, epoxy primer, and top coat to restore protection and appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.